is now a video editor.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not feeling so chatty today. I've got to do what I've got to do. It's just a Sunday vlog. Sundays are always really quiet. It's just a day to reflect on yourself and a day to plan the week ahead. I might be so busy this week and I haven't done my maintenance, my nails, my hair, my lashes. I haven't done that, but I think that would be like in a separate video. I'm doing that all by myself, so it's going to be fun. It's 10:33 in the morning and I'm about to make breakfast. I'm going to have macaronis, so let's make macaronis. I've been taking food really seriously this year and I'm so proud of myself. Like, it's easier to cook in than to eat outside and it's quite healthy actually. I don't know, but for me cooking really makes me happy. And what do you guys do on Sundays actually? What do you guys do on Sundays? I just go to church, come back, eat, clean up. But yeah, I don't do anything on Sundays basically. If I have content to film, I film. If I have content to edit, I edit my content. So yeah, your girl is now a video editor. If you guys love the way I edit my videos, if you want to see my short form content, you can go to my Instagram, you can go to my TikTok. If you want to see my short form content, click the link in my description and go to my Instagram, go to my TikTok. You're going to see so many videos there. I edit videos. So if you are a content creator, whatever you are, and you do videos, you love to film or you don't love to edit, I'm your guy. Message me, comment, like tell me. I hope that everybody is happy and grateful. Gratefulness is really important. You guys, be grateful. Like that's the solution to a lot of problems. Just be thankful and be happy. Talk to your friends, talk to your loved ones. Last week has shown me that People are important. Having people in your life is really important. Make sure you check in on your friends and your family members this week. Alright? So let's cook. Like a short sleeping session. I slept a bit. I had to sleep. I was feeling really stressed. My neighbor's gen is on. My fan is on, which is not supposed to be so. This is going to give me real stress when I'm editing. But scratch that. Ever since I learned how to edit with good audio qualities, I don't give a fuck about all these things anymore. But I'm supposed to still let me off my fan. Okay, that's done. But the generator sound is like, it's helping me because that's what's giving me like, this is not NEPA. If you want my tips on how I edit to get good audio quality, comment down below. I was supposed to do that ever since. Like I think I was supposed to like drop the video for the good audio quality like a long time ago. Cause I got like requests. So I got like 2-3 requests. It matters though. But I was trying to see how if I get to 500 followers, I'm going to drop it. I'm going to drop the video. Cause I want it to reach like a good amount of like a good audience. I'm saying that cause like I know that it will help a lot of people. But I might just flash it and drop the video. That's why I haven't dropped that video. But I should drop it. So I will. Cause people need it, right? I'm just going to go ahead and journal now. This year, I feel like because things didn't work out the way I planned, I haven't thought it's right to create another vision board for this year. I don't know if that's good or that's bad. I just don't want to expect a lot. But this time, I don't want to create a virtual visual board. I want to create a physical visual board, like maybe in my room or something, like just hang it somewhere. That's it. That's what I want to do. So till I'm able to do that, yes, I will create a vision board. But for now, I won't. I'll just write what I want to do and then do it. Like, just go straight to the point. I'm really putting my everything on God right now. I don't want to do anything on my own. Like, I want him to like lead the way. I don't want to do anything on my own. But yeah, that's it. I'm going to journal now and then see how I can edit my content. Because I have to start posting like every day for you guys, and that's exactly not every day, sorry, but like 4 times a week. I really want to use these mediums like comment her. She makes me want to post every day. Like I feel when I think to myself like this is not possible. Like you don't want editing these things and you do like serious edit and you like to make your edits fun. Like how do you expect to post every day? You are also working, blah blah blah. And then I look at her. She actually posts 4 times a week. And like it's not something that she hasn't done. She has done and she's kept doing it. Like this is consistency at its peak. So if you haven't subscribed to her channel, Please, 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 please do. I like her. I like her spirit. If you're seeing this, I'm talking to you. You don't have to wait. I don't even know what you're waiting for, but like just start that channel. Start doing what you want to do. Wait for me because I want to be consistent. I really want to be, and I want to be myself while being consistent. So I just noticed this side of me that loves to talk a lot. Like I like to actually like keep people going, like make sure that you're moving forward. And that's the side you guys are going to see. Like I'm going to see you guys next time. Bye.